Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start with the name of Allah, who is most merciful. Firstly, I would like to thank ICBS team who provide us a chance to explore our research in front of the world. Secondly, I will introduce myself. I am Tokir Ahmed from University of Wakan, Pakistan, representing the topic entitled as Influence of Plant Growth Promoting Rhizobacteria (PGPR) on the physiology of Spinacia oleracea under arsenic stress. Spinacia oleracea, commonly known as spinach, is basically a leafy vegetable which belongs to family Chenopodiaceae and consumed throughout the world due to its unique nutritional composition. Besides this, it contains bioactive compounds such as flavonoid, ascorbic acids, lutein, etc. Arsenic, basically, arsenic is a heavy metal which is found naturally throughout the world, and it is found in the soil and water. It originates from the anthropogenic activities like fossil fuels, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. Besides this, it is found naturally in the groundwater due to sediments, rocks, and many other things. Its negative impacts on the plants are: it stops the plant growth, it disturbs the plant growth and development, and it destroys the nutritive quality of crops and vegetables. PGPR, plant growth promoting rhizobacteria. These are basically a free living bacteria in the root zone of plant which facilitate the plant growth, and it promote the plant growth and development due to different mechanisms like biochemical and physiological mechanism like phosphorus solubilization, nitrogen fixation, etc. And PGPR are biotic ester of secondary metabolites in plants. The aims of our study are to observe the effects of PGPR on the spinach growth under arsenic stress. Here you can see the methodology. Seeds were obtained from the NARC Pakistan, while the PGPR isolate was obtained from the University of Kent. Whole the experiment was placed in the natural condition in pots, and the soil which was used in pots was autoclaved soil. Before sowing, seed were surface sterilized by 95% ethanol for 5 minutes and then washed by autoclave distilled water. Three types of pots were prepared. One type was control group in which no treatment of PGPR and arsenic was placed, and the second type of pots were which were irrigated by the arsenic water and no treatment of PGPR, while the third one was PGPR treated plants in which the seeds were treated by PGPR isolates and the pots were irrigated by the arsenic contaminated water. Biochemical testing was done by different methods. The method which we follow for proline content was the Bates et al., while the phenolic content was calculated by method Singleton and Jones. Similarly, sugar content was calculated by Du Bois et al., and the protein content was measured by Lowry et al. Chlorophyll A, B, and carotenoid content was calculated by the protocol of Orman et al. Here you can see the slide of antioxidant enzyme activity. Different protocols were followed to measure the antioxidant enzyme activity. For example, phenylalanine ammonia lyase (PAL) activity was measured by the protocol of Suzuki et al. PPO polyphenol oxidase activity was measured by using the protocol of Mayer et al. Similarly, SOD superoxide and dimethyl activity was measured by the protocol of Friedrich, and the POD peroxide activity was measured by the protocol of Witter et al., and the catalase activity was measured by the protocol of Kumar et al. Then we will move towards the results, and the results of our studies are, and the arsenic causes the decrease in growth as well as physiological parameters and antioxidant activity of the spinach, while the PGPR treatment show the significant improved result as compared to control group and the group treated by arsenic. The result describes that the chlorophyll A content was increased 41.92%, the chlorophyll B content was increased 66.34%, and the carotenoids were increased 28.92%. Similarly, the proline content was increased 44.19%, protein content was increased 27.35%, phenolic content was increased 29.62%, flavonoid content was increased 20.11%, and the sugar content was increased 44.31% in the PGPR treated plant as compared to the control group. Similarly, the antioxidant enzyme activity was also enhanced by the PGPR. Catalase activity was enhanced 64.95%. The PEL activity was enhanced 41.1%. PPO activity was enhanced 59.45%. SOD activity was enhanced 25.58%, and the POD activity was enhanced 22.85% as compared to control group. Here you can see the graphical representation. The first graph for chlorophyll A, the second one is chlorophyll B, and the third one is carotenoids. You can see the clearly difference between the control group and arsenic. It shows that PGPR treated plants show a better results as compared to control group. Similarly, the sugar content, proline content and protein content was enhanced by the PGPR treated plant as compared to control group. You can see the graphical representation in which graph clearly show that PGPR treated plant showed a better results as compared to control group. And these two graphs are phenolics and flavonoids. These were also enhanced by the PGPR as compared to control group. Here you can see the antioxidant enzyme activity. The PEL activity and PPO activity was enhanced by the PGPR. You can see the graphical representation. We show a clear difference between control group, arsenic group, and PGPR treated plant. These are the SOD, CAT, and PPO graph. These were also enhanced by the PGPR, as the graph show that PGPR showed a better result as compared to control group. This is the conclusion of our study, that arsenic causes the decrease in plant growth and it reduces the plant yield, and it has many other harmful effects on plant. While the PGPR, which is plant growth promoting rhizobacteria, it reduces the negative impact of arsenic and it enhances the plant growth and development as compared to control group. Besides this, PGPR is eco-friendly and has no side effect for the environment, and it can be used as a biofertilizer instead of chemical fertilizer. It is better as it has no side effect, while the chemical fertilizer has many other side effects. Thank you. Stay blessed all.